Welcome to the project demonstration of wireless humidity and temperature monitoring and controlling system. So in this project we are going to measure the humidity from DHT11 sensor and temperature from LM35 sensor. So these two are the main input sensors to our microcontroller, and it will start reading these from the sensors and also displaying the status on the LCD screen. And also we are going to sending the same humidity temperature values through the Bluetooth HC05 to our Android mobile phone. And if is there any abnormal conditions which we sensed from these sensors, then there will be a buzzer indication, and also we are going to on the respective utilizing device. For example, if the temperature is high, then the DC fan will be switched on through this battery and with the help of this electromagnetic relays. And parallelly we can cool down the so-called chamber, or where we place the temperature sensor, there only we need to place this cooling fan. And coming to the humidity, whenever the humidity increases or decreases, then automatically my microcontroller will switch on this fog sprayer to improve or decrease the humidity inside the chamber. That is also with help of this electromagnetic relay. So coming to this fog sprayer, so it's a rechargeable. Just we can charge this from the charger B type cable. And next, the battery is getting power supply. The DC fan is getting power supply from this battery. The whole system driven by the this power socket, so which will take the input of 230 volts and it will provide the output of 5 volts, which is constant regular power supply. Once we provided the power supply to this motherboard, so there will be one capacitor, so it will neutralize the ripples after regulation. Surely there will be spikes will be generated when the regulation was happened. That will be neutralized with the help of this capacitor. And there will be one crystal oscillator, so which is 20 megahertz of clock frequency, which will provide the 20 mega pulses per second, so that my microcontroller can execute 20 mega instructions in second. Means one pulse is entered into this microcontroller, it will execute one instruction. So what is the instruction? Nothing but read the temperature data, read the humidity data, and controlling the so-called through the relays and display the LCD. So these are the step-by-step instructions will be executed pulse by pulse. So 20 megahertz pulse is nothing but 20 mega pulses per second, and it will be executed in 1 second, and same 20 mega lines will be executed in 1 second. And coming to this buzzer board, so here we are making use of piezo buzzer, which is operated at 5 volts, and this is a transistor. Here we are using for basic operation of transistor is switch. So now the microcontroller will trigger the transistor, and the transistor will switch on the buzzer. So coming to this relay board, there are same transistors are there, because like this same we need to on the relay, but the microcontroller can't drive the relay directly. So we are making use of on a switch like relay. So here the flow is same. The microcontroller will switch on these two transistors whenever the abnormality is detected. These two transistors will switch on these relays, and these relays will switch on the respective DC fan and like fog sprayer. So this is the main operation. Coming to this LCD display, this is a contrast setting purpose. We can set the contrast. And coming to the interfacing connections, so LM35 for A0 and DHT11 for here C3 we connected that, and B2 to B7 is for our LCD, and B0 B1 for HC05 Bluetooth module, and C4 is for the buzzer connections. So let us see the demonstration. Just plug it and switch on the main power source to the system, and then we can see that there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. And now before the installation, before executing the project, we need to install this serial monitor from the Play Store. After installing that, go to Bluetooth settings in your phone, and there is only one initially set up to pair with our system. So search for HC05, and it will ask for the password as 1234 and pair. Once pairing was done from settings, then go to the application and pair to the device HC05. Once pairing was successfully done, connected, and continuously we are sending the same data which is displaying on the LCD, like humidity and temperature. Now see, let us see the demonstration for increasing the temperature of abnormality. So we set the temperature abnormality for 45 degrees centigrade. Right. So before execution this also we need to connect the battery here, 9 volt battery, and after connecting that, so increase the temperature. So we can see the temperature is increasing on the LCD. So when the temperature is crosses 45 degrees, then automatically the fan will get switched on. Right. After temperature settle down, then automatically the fan will be off. Right. And coming to the humidity. So for increasing the humidity purpose, just we can blow the air on the sensor. When it crosses the 80%, then automatically the fog spray will switch on. So we can see that. Right. So the fog spray got switched on parallelly and same buzzer indication, and we can see the continuous data streaming on the our mobile phone through the Bluetooth. So till the temperature humidity is down, again it will be off slowly.